In this video, we will explore how to add and manage devices in groups. To add devices to groups, we will need to mouse over Group, then select Group Devices. Now the All Devices group will be selected by default. This group shows all of your devices in your account. From our last video, we added the Location group. Let's add devices to this one and its subgroups. Notice every new group created will have a 0 count when you start. Let's say our USA group has this HP CM8060 color MFP. We will place a check next to the device. With the Add To option selected, choose the drop-down menu for the group you would like the device to be associated with. For this example, we're going to choose USA. Now press the Activate button to add the device to the selected folder. As you can see on the left under Your Groups, the parent group we added a device to has a positive count. Let's add more devices. For this example, we will say that the Denmark group is known for primarily having Dell devices. We can filter this list to show only Dell devices by clicking on Filter. Type the word Dell and press Apply. Now presented to you, out of all the devices, only the Dell devices are being shown. We're pretty sure that all the Dell devices are in the Denmark office, so we'll check the top option for selecting all of the printers listed. Then add them to the group named Denmark. Before we continue, we will need to clear the filter that is still active so we will be able to see all of the devices. After clicking Filter, select Clear. Now, as you can see, our parent group Location has 15 devices. The 0 of 15 means that there are no devices in the root or parent group. The devices are spread out through the subgroups. Let's say that we discover that our Denmark group does not actually have some of these devices and we want to remove them. Select the devices you would like to remove individually. Change the setting to Remove From with the appropriate folder selected and press Activate. And now you can see that there are fewer devices in the Denmark group. You can also move devices from group to group. Let's move this device to the Europe group. Select Add To and choose Europe, then Activate. And now we have one of the devices from the Denmark group in the Europe group. Please note a device cannot exist in multiple groups within the same tree. Let's take a look at the devices we added to these groups in the Views page. When on the Views page, you can select Filter and choose a group to see your devices. We will look at the parent group Location, which includes all of its subgroups. Now we are only seeing the devices in our selected group while on the Views page. Thanks for watching. Setting up groups is a great way to keep an eye on specific devices in areas that might require more attention.